In this video, I will share with you the techniques that I have learned from studying and watching Steve Jobs' presentations.
And I really do think architecture students will come here to see this.
As architects, we are selling and pitching our proposals all the time to clients and to our colleagues. We tend to present features of what we have designed and how it is a better solution. The presentation is partly subjective because architecture is an art form and it is to do with beauty and aesthetics, which is subjective. However, it is a form which becomes functional and it has to be approached objectively. Watching Steve Jobs present the Cupertino campus, it hit me. I noticed a powerful trick he used to justify the moves and the design decisions that were made for the campus. So the first thing he does, he talks about today and he compares it to tomorrow and how the future will be better. And he does that by comparing different elements of design.
So 20% of it is landscape. We want to completely change this and we want to make 80% of it landscape. Today there are 3,700 trees in the property. We'd like to just almost double that.
And the second thing is, he does these comparisons by using percentages. And to this day, we see all Apple presentations being a comparison between the predecessor and the new device that has to come.
We're up roughly 40% in people, 20% increase in space. The landscaping, though, increases by 350%, trees by 60%, the surface parking goes down by 90%. The overall feeling of the place is going to be a zillion times better than it is now.
I've used this technique of comparing by using percentages in my presentations. Also, at times when client comes back to us for reducing the budget, the percentage method comes in handy to compare what was proposed originally and the reduced area in terms of percentages. We had a client who had to reduce the budget by 20%. So we applied the 20% reduction to the master plan. Without the need to change any specific aspect of design to achieve the budget of the project. So thinking in terms of simple principles and percentages is impactful. So guys, if you have any questions, leave your comments below and I'll see you in the next one.